Hi, I'm Deb from Skein Sisters. I've got a very exciting little tool to show you today, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. We've been waiting for these to come in, and so it's pretty exciting that they're here. Do you know these? They're called Barber Cords, and in this little tiny tin are a selection of silicone cords. It doesn't look like much, but they are so useful. Now have a look at the colours. It comes in 14 different colours. How on earth do you choose which one you want? Maybe you need ones to match each of your projects. Anyway, what you use them for is any way that you want to take off your stitches. So maybe you're splitting for your sleeves, so you want to put those sleeve stitches onto a cord or something to hold them. If you're doing a provisional cast on, if you want to try on a garment, say, you can thread on half your stitches onto the barber cord and then use the other stitches on the needles and easily try it on with lots of room. There's so many ways that you can use it, and I'm going to show you what you do because there's not really any instructions that are easy to come across. They're made by a lovely lady called Jojo. She's in Finland, and by day she is a barber, and then at night she makes these beautiful little knitting tools and accessories which have just sort of taken the world by storm because they're so handy. So she hand makes them herself, and I think that's a pretty special kind of thing to do. Now I'm going to choose green because I'm going to take the green ones home. I have to have green, don't I? And in the box we've actually got 3. So we've got one super long one. Where is it? Here we go. That's a super long one. That would be fabulous for trying on a jumper, you know, all the way around and some. And then 2 smaller ones. So they would be really perfect to put your sleeves onto. Now all you do, I've got kind of like a little tubey sock here that we use for showing magic loop demonstrations. And what you do is you just, can you see that? Look at my hands, I've got pen all over them. You just slide that end, because it's a hollow cord, you slide it on as far as you can go. And then you just slide your needle backwards, drawing it through. How easy is that? So then we can come around and do the rest of them. Pull that through there. I even just was trying it actually on a 9mm needle, and it worked perfectly as well. You had to just make sure it was all the way pushed in. So then we can pull it off and then just tie it. So there you go, you've got all your stitches already just on there like that. Now to put it back, you do the reverse. So we grab our needle again and pull that all the way through, so we're just right at the edge. Slide that over the tip of our needle again. See how I've just pushed it all the way down there, and then we just can gently pull and push our stitches back on. So this is only the first time I've done it. I reckon you'd get really quick with doing this. So then I'd have to come out because it's such a small diameter. I might even pull it off, pull my needle through a little bit. Pop it back on again and pull it through the rest. There we go, all the way on, little stitches. There we go, and we're done. So barber cords, Olga actually just said a really fantastic thing too, is if the end gets a bit, you know, wide, it's not staying on, you can just snip it off, can't you? And just, so you've got a nice fresh little piece of the cord there, and it would only need to be the tiniest bit, so you really wouldn't be losing much of the length. So barber cords, there are 14 colours, as I said. I'm definitely taking these green ones. Yeah, which ones is your favourite?